So what are we doing with value stream mapping workshop, and why are we doing it? And why are we giving a service of such high value away almost for free? So let's start with why we think value stream mapping workshop is a significant workshop that enables organizations to improve from where they are and achieve outstanding results. So let's unpack that a little bit. What is it? Well, what it is, it allows us as an organization or a line of business unit to understand how are we serving our customers. Where does the demand come in? What are the steps that we go through in order to fulfill that demand? What are the delays? What are the handoffs? What are the loopbacks? And then we deliver the service to the customer. And how satisfied is the customer? Now, the service could be an actual service. In other words, we could be, let's say, something like a help desk. It could be that we are a product development organization. That's a service. It could be that we got hardware, software, and firmware that we are delivering. So our solution, if you like, could be service, product and a service, hardware, software, cyber physical system. So it doesn't really matter whether we are a software product development team, organization with software-enabled solutions that meets customer needs, or a service that we are providing to our customers, B2C, if you like. Value stream mapping will identify the key steps that the work is going through. It will help us have a shared understanding within the organization of what are those key steps, why are they important, where the delays are, where the delay is the most and has got this most significant impact, and then come up with, okay, and what are we going to do about it? And how are we going to address these impediments to flow and aim for and achieve an uninterrupted flow of value to our customers? So this is what a value stream mapping workshop provides and to an organization. So the question is, who should be there? And maybe the first thing to look at is, what are the boundaries of that value stream mapping that we're doing? In other words, where does it start and end? Well, the narrower you make that boundary, the less effective it's going to be, and it's going to be more of a bandage than a solution. So we could look at a person, if you like, within that value stream, and all we are creating is bandages or coping, if you like, strategies for the individual working within that value stream. And we want to really go to the edge of the organization as far as possible. In other words, the external demand coming in and the fulfilled demand going out of the organization. That is where we get the maximum value of the value stream mapping that we do. Or for some of the larger organizations that we deal with, it could be an internal unit fulfilling and delivering solution to another unit, or a large part of the solution that goes to the customer. So that's what we are looking at, which I guess leads us to, so who should be there? Who should attend this value stream mapping workshop? Well, we need to have a cross-functional or multidisciplinary team of people attend this workshop. So we do need, and these people need to have the ability to make changes to the system of work that is in place. So we need line of business managers. We need people from technology. We need people from front office, back office, managers, doers, leaders. And we need that combination of skill set, because everybody will have a different viewpoint. And for us to fully understand what this value stream end to end is, we need all those different perspectives to tell us how is the flow and how good is the flow. In other words, the value flows, what are the interrupts that happen to it? What's the impact of those interrupts? In other words, how many times does it get interrupted? For how long? And what's the impact of that? For us to then be able to understand how good is the current system that we have? What are the likely benefits of changing? And where should we focus our initial change efforts to get a better outcome? I'd love to work with your organization and make sure you are also achieving results that I have achieved with other organizations. Want to learn more? Look up www.valueglide.com or link with me on any of my social media channels.